Bitch, I wake up, no stylish. Fresh as fuck, I put it on her, I did this shit. Got this fine, hold no makeup, and she still in bad as shit.
Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be transforming myself into this like almost like frostbite character that's also like a winter fairy whatever thing, I don't know, but like little like tears that I made from hot glue. So I'm excited to use these. And I was kindly sent some amazing glitters and a wing stamp eyeliner from iMethod. So we're gonna be trying out this product right here. And I gotta show you this. These cute little glitters. So the ones that I picked out for this look are gonna be this blue one. And then I have this one right here. They're so cute. Alright, so first I'm going to go in with this ColourPop eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to try to use like this light blue right here. It's kind of just create something, I don't know. We'll see what happens, I guess. We're having a little snack break. I'm eating an egg burrito. Yummy. Alright, so I'm going to go in with a little bit of the blue. This is such a pretty color. Sorry for the weird angles. I've been using my phone to like film with, so it's a little different than the usual, I guess. All right, and I'm gonna go in with this like blue shimmer. This is so pretty. Whoa. All right, next I'm gonna go in with these iMethod glitters. These are so stunning. So I'm gonna try to open this one up and I'll be right back. Alright, so that's the glitter and I'm just gonna take a little bit. Whoa, that's so pretty. And I'm just gonna gently tap this on. And what's really cool about these, they glow in the dark, which is pretty freaking cool. Alright, next we're gonna go in with the iMethod eyeliner. This is how the packaging looks. Alright, when you unbox it, it comes with two different pens, one for the left eye and one for the right eye. And then one side has the stamp for the eye, and then you have the liner right here. Pretty cool. Let's try it out. Alright, I'm gonna get super close to the camera so you guys can see. So cute, so easy. All right, and then we're gonna take the other side and just fill her in. I don't want anything too crazy for this look, but oh my goodness, this was so easy. Okay, so this is the first eye, and then I'm just gonna quickly finish the other eye off the camera. Alright, I'm back with my other eye finished. This looks cute. Thank you so much, iMethod, for sending me these goodies. I really love this glitter. The eyeshadow is so cute, and the eyeliner is really good as well. Highly recommend you guys checking them out. They're also so I don't forget, available on Amazon. And no, this is not sponsored, but they did kindly send me all of these goodies to try out. But yeah, I do actually surprisingly really like this stuff. Alright, next I'm gonna go in with the hair white from Mayron, and I'm gonna try to use this on my eyebrows to kind of make them a little frosty. This is working pretty good. Whoa. This stuff is so crazy. Whoa, that works so well. Whoa guys, this is looking sick. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna try to apply these fake tears that I made. Alright, so if you guys want to see how I did this exactly, go check out my TikTok video. because I did a little mini tutorial on how I did that. Cute, right? I'm gonna go finish off the other side, and then we're pretty much gonna just try to finish up this look. Alright, so I'm done with both of the eyes. I made these white lashes that I'm gonna put on, and yeah, I'm gonna put that on, I guess. Alright, so I'm putting like white eyeliner on my lashes because I was like, I can't use black mascara. So I have this Lovecraft Beauty white eyeliner. Also, I changed my shirt into this cute white corset and put my wig cap on, so we are looking a little funny. Okay, so I put my wig on, and I'm gonna go in with this Undone Beauty lip gloss and Radiant Clear. Alright, now that I applied the lip gloss, I'm gonna go in with this white glitter from iMethod. This is how it looks, and I'm gonna put a little bit of that on my lips. Ooh, that's so pretty. Alright guys, this is the final result. It came out so cute. Thank you so much, iMethod, for sending me these goodies once again. This look is so cute.
Bitch, I wake up, no stylist. Fresh as fuck, I put it on her up, I did this shit. Got this fine, hold no makeup, and she still in bad as shit. She in school, but it's cool, yeah, I still my baddest bitch. I'm as funny like a pool, yeah, my necklace.
That's all for today's video. If you guys want to see more transformations, don't forget to follow me on TikTok, which is simi_violet, and same on Instagram. That's all, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Bitch, I wake up, no stylist. Fresh as fuck, I put it on her up, I